beast mode on this one.
Shit, man. I'm nice up this in my shit every fucking day, bro. And you in my motherfucking refrigerator. Eat up all my goddamn food, drink all my goddamn bills, bro. Come on, man, put this shit together, bro. Why are you in my refrigerator, bro? What's it got to me that for you?
I ain't got shit in this bitch that match any goddamn way. I ain't no motherfucking ham for my burger. I ain't got no motherfucking peanut butter for my jelly. Damn, I ain't even got motherfucking Kool-Aid for my sugar. Fuck, you always fucking with me and shit, goddamn. Can I at least keep the goddamn beer? At least fuck, bro.
Yeah.